Here we are in historic downtown Knoxville near Market Square in the South Gay Street area. The project barriers are caution taped off and we commence removal. Crescostone handles demolition, excavation, and site prep as part of the same turnkey concrete project. You can see this demolition job was quite extensive by observing the piles of concrete rubble here in the video. We excavated layer upon layer of old construction consisting of brick pavers, thick concrete, and asphalt. The demolition stage looks messy, but caution is exercised to prevent damaging anything bordering the site. This is a good example of why customers don't necessarily need to hire a separate demolition contractor before calling us. We can handle everything in-house. We handle projects like this from start to finish, so customers don't have to coordinate every aspect of the project through several different contractors. Underground lines and utilities also have to be accounted for. It takes planning, experience, and careful execution. This area functions primarily as a public walkway and alleyway between large buildings, but it also has to accommodate occasional company or maintenance vehicles. Every concrete project can't be treated as a one-size-fits-all. The intended use of the surface helps determine things like PSI of the concrete materials, slab thickness, base preparation, reinforcement materials like rebar, fiber, or wire when appropriate. A public alleyway like this has different requirements than a residential sidewalk. We evaluate how the finished area will be used to determine the site prep and concrete installation requirements accordingly. It's imperative that the base is properly prepared because it has a huge effect on drainage, settling, and long-term performance. Once everything was removed, we continued the base prep, gravel, and leveling. Once the base was ready, we installed the new decorative concrete. Here you can see our crew putting down the stamping mats that create the traditional herringbone brick pattern. This project was also for a commercial client we've worked with for many years. We maintain positive business relationships with many commercial customers. After the herringbone stamping was finished, we implemented our custom antiquing technique. The goal was to give the new concrete an antique aesthetic so it would look appropriate in this historic location. Here's a close-up look of the antiqued decorative concrete. And here's the beautiful rooftop view and the Oarsman statue just around the corner. Thanks for watching.